Welcome back, this is Alex. Let me ask you a question. What if turning a written script into a complete YouTube video took less than 10 minutes? In 2026, that's no longer a theory. It's happening right now, and one of the biggest reasons is an AI tool called Pictory. Stick around because I'm going to show you how it works.
For years, video editors spent hours cutting clips, choosing visuals, syncing audio, and adding captions. That process was slow, expensive, and required technical skills. But Pictory changes the entire workflow by removing the timeline completely.
Pictory is an AI-powered video creation and editing tool that turns text into full videos automatically. You simply paste in a script, article, or blog post, and the AI handles the editing for you. It selects visuals, generates captions, adds music.
Here's how it works. First, you paste your script into Pictory. Next, the AI scans the text and understands the key ideas in each section. Then it automatically matches each idea with relevant video clips or images. After that, captions are generated, scenes are arranged, and background music is added.
This is why Pictory is replacing traditional editors in 2026. There's no cutting footage, no dragging clips on a timeline, no manual captioning. The AI makes editorial decisions automatically, faster, cheaper, and at scale. You hit export and it's done.
Pictory is perfect for YouTubers, faceless channels, bloggers, marketers, and anyone creating content consistently. If your goal is speed, efficiency, and automation, this tool completely changes the game.
This is just one example of how AI is replacing editors in 2026. In the next video, I'll show you a tool that lets you edit videos simply by editing text. Stay with me. This series is just getting started.
Everything you've seen today is part of the digital future. And here on Think Digitalization, we break it down clearly. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep thinking digital.